As research director, I have oversight of our research team and our analytics department, which was newly formed about a couple of years ago. We do everything from standard data reporting for state and federal entities, to program evaluation, to forecasting, to predictive analytics work. In state government, we tend to all hold our information close to our chest. It's our information. We have the right to and the responsibility to protect that information. And I agree, data security and protection is an incredible responsibility that we all have to be sure that we're prioritizing. But we also need to prioritize the incredible power and impact that can come from data sharing and collaboration agreements. You can't make good decisions if you have bad information. And so in order to make good decisions, you have to make sure that the information that you're using to make those decisions is valid and it's reliable and that it's understandable and easily interpretable. Analytics really at its core not only helps provide you the information that you need to help inform your strategic priorities and the progress to those priorities, but it also just gives you an incredible runway that you can continue to build off of. The Iowa Department of Corrections in particular has made a substantial investment into technologies that promote safety and the prediction of assaultive events, whether it's in the community or in the prisons. And I think that when organizations make these types of investments into analytic tools or processes that promote the safety of staff, you automatically feel taken care of. You're automatically going to create a culture where folks feel more safe. And when you feel more safe in your environment, you're going to stay at your employer for longer periods of time. It's never been more important than ever to focus right now on hiring and retention of staff. Because when you retain staff, you retain institutional knowledge long term. But at the heart of retention is also the creation of these tools that help promote safety within your organization. The Iowa Department of Corrections has two technologies that have recently been implemented over the course of the last year and a half that we're just incredibly proud of. What we've been able to do with SAS is we've been able to get ahead of assaultive events. Incorporating analytics in the Department of Corrections has changed everything. Sometimes we would ask to, modify the spreadsheet if they needed an additional data element incorporated or folks needed something filtered. Lots of manual work. And analytics has really allowed us to transition and continue to move our department culturally into a self-service data model. Instead of relying on our incredible but small research team, folks at any point in time can get the exact information that they need in the exact format that they want. Analytics is going to give you an incredible advantage in your organization, whether you work in the public or the private sector. My advice would be don't wait another minute. Get analytics into your operations.